7 best ways to make $10,000 per month online. No experience needed. Making money online in 2025 is not a dream, it's a reality. But with so many options, how do you know what really works? In this video, I'll reveal the 7 best online business models that can help you earn $10,000 or more per month without any experience. Stay till the end, because I'll share a bonus strategy that's making people thousands with AI automation. 1. SMMA, Social Media Marketing Agency. $10,000 plus per month. Businesses are spending billions on social media advertising, but most don't know how to do it effectively. That's where you come in. By starting a social media marketing agency, SMMA, you can help businesses get customers through Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads, and they'll gladly pay you thousands per month. How to start. Learn. Facebook and Google Ads, free YouTube courses available. Get your first client by cold outreach, email, LinkedIn, Instagram DMs. Charge $1,500 to $5,000 per month per client? Still worried about experience? Keep watching because I'll show you a completely hands-off business next. 2. Affiliate marketing, $5,000 to $50,000 per month. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate passive income model. You don't need to create a product, you just promote others and earn commissions. How to start. Choose a profitable niche: tech, finance, health, AI tools. Sign up for programs like Amazon Affiliates, ClickBank, or Impact. Create a TikTok, YouTube, or blog to promote your links. Want something even more automated? Next up, AI businesses are taking over. 3. AI automation businesses, $10,000 to $100,000 per month. AI is the future, and you can start an AI automation business today. You don't need to be a coder, you just need to know how to use AI tools. How to start. Create an AI-generated YouTube channel. Use ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Victory for videos. Offer AI customer service bots to businesses. Build AI-written blogs or ebooks. Don't like making videos? The next method lets you sell products without touching inventory. Print on demand. $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Imagine selling t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without ever handling inventory. That's print on demand. POD. You create a design once and the supplier does the rest. How to start. Sign up on Printify for free upload designs. Use Canva or AI tools. Sell on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. No design skills? No problem. Next, let's talk about making money by creating content. 5. Content creation, YouTube, TikTok, blogging. $10,000 plus per month. Short form and long form content is booming in 2025. You can make money by posting content and getting paid for ads, brand deals, and affiliates. How to start. Pick a niche: finance, AI, motivation, luxury, tech. Create YouTube shorts, TikTok, or blogs. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliates. Want a business that runs on autopilot? The next model will blow your mind. 6. Dropshipping and e-commerce, June month. E-commerce is still massive, and dropshipping lets you sell trending products without holding inventory. How to start. Find trending products on AliExpress or Zendra. Set up a Shopify store. Run Facebook and TikTok ads. Want to make money fast. The last method pays you in days. 7. Freelancing and high-income skills, $5,000 to $20,000 per month. If you have a skill, any skill, you can get paid today by freelancing. Copywriting, video editing, coding, or AI prompt engineering are in huge demand. How to start. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn Charge. Premium rates as you gain experience. Learn skills fast from free YouTube courses. Conclusion. Now that you know the 7 best ways to make $10,000 a month online, which one will you start? Comment below. If you want a step-by-step guide, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Watch next: how to start an online business with no money.